Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening and Open Gate Gardening with me, Simon. And today we're going to tidy up our own front garden and tidy up the back as well, because we need to make sure this all looks prim and proper, ready for the growing season. So today we're going to be cutting the grass, doing the hedges, and then we've got a couple of planters that we need to put together, and there's a border as well that we need to start planting up ready for the summer display. So as always, enjoy. So as I said, today's job is about tidying our own garden. So we've got the hedges that want trimming, tidying up. We've got a lawn that needs cutting. And then in the centre beds, just tidy up the daffodils, and we'll put in some dahliatubers ready for this year. And over here we've just got the, you still hear me? The sideboard is still looking smart. Seems to be growing, and the aqualegia just flowering beautifully. So that's on the front. Just take it to the side. The side part, this is looking really good. The aqualedia's flowering again. The verbena's coming back lovely. Again, we just tied up the daffodils, and we're going to put in some dahliatubers into this bit to make sure that looks all nice for summer. And in this mound here, we're just going to sort out the soil, put in a bit of goodness so we can plant this up with a camellia. We've also got the part in front of the bins that we put the flags in, and we just need to put a few more stones down just to make it look nice and neat. So a bit of a job to do today. So that's the front tidied up, hedges trimmed, grass cut, planters edged, and dahlias put in. All nicely trimmed. Like I say, the edges just sharpened off to make it look nice and neat. Yes, looking good. So these are the planters that are going up to hide the bins. So just like that, but you obviously need to line them. So Donna's lined them with some black bags, just put some drainage holes in, then we'll fill it with soil mixture of compost and topsoil. And I've got some nice climbers to grow up there, but looking good so far. So another little project completed, just something to shield the bins. So we've got these 3 planters. We've planted in some climbing geraniums. We've got an orange one, violet and pink, and then we've got some climbing petunias as well. So we'll see how those get on this year. I think that looks really smart. It's really nice just to hide the bins.